What is court?
I think court is a scary place and it's all about crime and punishment.
I guess. Hey, did you see those court shows on TV last night?
Those were some awesome episodes. Court shows are the best.
I know.
Do you think court shows are real?
I thought they were real, aren't they?
Oh my gosh, you two don't know anything about court at all.
What?
Follow me.
We are in the Marin Superior Court. This is a real courtroom.
Is that where the jury sits?
Yes, it is.
Doesn't the jury decide almost everything?
It does most of the deciding, but not all of it.
But what if the jury can't decide?
If the jury can't decide, then the judge may declare a mistrial. That means they might have to start the trial all over again, with a different jury. By the way, those court TV shows aren't real.
Hey, on some TV shows there are no juries. People just talk to the judge.
Yeah, why is that?
Like I said, those court TV shows aren't real. In some cases, when someone is suing someone else, before there is a jury trial, there is a settlement conference. A settlement conference doesn't take place in a courtroom, and only the people in the lawsuit and their attorneys can attend. During a settlement conference, the judge and 2 other volunteers try to help the people come to an agreement. If they can't agree, then they go back to the courtroom and make it official by having the court reporter type the agreement into the court record. It costs a lot less than a jury trial.
If you know so much about court, can you answer some other questions we have for you?
Of course!
A question I've been wondering is, what is the difference between hearings and trials?
In a hearing, you can address anything that needs to be settled before a trial. In a trial, you get to present evidence to the court, and the jury may decide whether or not you're guilty.
A couple of years ago, my dad's company was sued, but they didn't go to court. I don't understand why that would happen.
You can file a lawsuit for any reason, but that doesn't mean you will have a trial. If you do have a trial, it doesn't mean you will win.
Earlier you said that we did not know anything about court.
Well, you did say court is a scary place, and that is not true.
Yeah, we know, but now we understand that court is a fair place and that it's not only about crime and punishment. Hey, there is a hammer. Why do courts always have these?
It is called a gavel. The gavel is used to quiet the people in the courtroom and to call the courtroom to order.
What is the stand to the right of the judge's seat?
That is the witness's seat.
What if the witness lies or refuses to testify?
If a witness lies, then the witness could be charged with perjury and put on a trial. The witness can only refuse to testify if it would end up getting him or her charged with a crime.
Hey, that's a public seating.
Is everyone welcome to watch a trial?
You are welcome to watch any hearing or trial unless it involves a child.
What happens if we're found not guilty at a trial?
If you're found not guilty, then the trial is over. There won't be any more evidence presented to the court. Then you're done.
What happens if we're found guilty at a trial?
When you're found guilty, you may be sentenced to an amount of time in jail, given a fine, or community service. It would depend on the law of the state where the crime took place and the type of crime.
Hello, children. How was your day at the Civic Center?
Hey, you're Frank Lloyd Wright.
I sure am.
The Civic Center's amazing.
I'm the one who designed it. See you next time.
We sure learned a lot about court today.
If you guys have any more questions, I'll be at the back of the bus.
Thanks for teaching us so much about court today.